So how do you know it's hers? Are you Patricia Johnson? Miss Johnson, you're charged with possession of marijuana.
Cops bustin' who owns the weed, both in bed, both charged chaos in the garage.
You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, ma'am. Okay.
On July 13th, 2024, officers received credible information from a concerned citizen that the co-defendant, a currently wanted person in Harris County, Texas for felony family assault, was inside a residence located at 710 West Bluff Drive in the garage portion of the residence. After opening the garage of the residence, officers observed the defendant lying in bed next to the defendant. As officers began to call the defendant and co-defendant out of the garage, officers observed several items of drug paraphernalia, such as used glass pipes and a white powdery substance wrapped in a clear plastic bag. Through further investigation, deputies observed 1.5 grams of marijuana located underneath the white powdery substance. And at the time of the incident, it was unclear what the substance was, but neither the defendant or co-defendant claimed ownership of the substance that had an approximate weight of 2 grams.
So how do you know it's hers? She's just at the house, right?
Right, Your Honor.
Is it her house?
It's unclear whose house it was. It's
Patricia Johnson. Ms. Johnson, just take a seat for me in the jury box. I'll be back with you here momentarily. I need to do a deeper dive on your case. You can get your stuff. So Williams is upstairs though, right? Ma'am, take a seat for me at the jury box.
in court 3.
Oh, he got a weed case too. Pavel, let's talk about Ms. Johnson, if you don't mind. So,
You don't have a room, Judge, on your PC?
yeah, I get you. I mean, you're welcome to stay there. You don't have to get up, but so what we have here, I mean, are you ready? Did you read it?
Yes.
So we have a lady
Yes.
who's in a house, I guess just in bed with someone who's got felony warrants
In the garage, but yes.
in the garage.
Yeah, and they're both laying together and the drugs were found right by both of them. Neither of them took ownership, so we charged both of them because they both have care, custody, and control of the drugs without any ownership. Everyone gets charged in those kind of circumstances.
Whose house is it?
So I would need to do some follow-up as to whose house it is, but I know they were in the garage of this house.
I didn't see the
I mean, if
Okay.
it's her house, it's one thing, but
I guess from what I understand, the defendant articulated as the co-defendant's moms, but I don't have any way of checking that right now.
say that again. So she says it's the mom's.
It's the co-defendant's mom's house, and they're in the garage.
Oh, the house. It's her house.
It's their house.
Because I mean, that's like me going to your house, right? And I'm sleeping on your couch, and just there's a little weed over there. I'm just a guest, and cops bust in. They try to charge me with the weed. What?
I guess the argument is because they're in close proximity, since it's right by the bed, they both have care, custody, and control of the judge.
Yeah,
And
I'm not.
That's the definition of it, so.
Yeah, but I don't. If she'd claimed ownership, if it's her house, if there's something
Yeah,
a
but
little
if
bit
they-
more.
Requiring them to claim ownership for purposes of.
No, I'm
PCM,
not saying that you have to, but I'm just saying, I just don't think it's enough. I mean, imagine I go to your house and it's the same thing, you know? So I'm crashing on your couch, just hanging out. I didn't know.
Oh, yeah, okay, so we did confirm the home belongs to both parents of the co-defendant. They're both listed as the owner of the house.
So the house belongs to,
The co-defendant's parents.
okay, I'm gonna find no PC for her.
Yes, sir.
I don't have jurisdiction over you. The state may well, in fact, indict this case at a later date. If that happens, a warrant will issue, but
Case dismissed. Turns out it's the co-defendant's parents' house. No probable cause.
I'm going to find no probable cause in this case now. Just be careful who you spend time with and who you hang out with. You get my drift? All right, man. Good luck. You're free to go.